Hi, this is one of the best coffee shop that I've tried. This is located at Ipil Street, Cuyambay, Tanay, Rizal. From Marikina, it takes 1 hour and 8 minutes. Total of 46 kilometers. If you want a cozy and nature vibes na coffee shop, this is a sign. Very aesthetic ang design. This is also good for family. Like, kung meron kayong kasamang bata. As you can see, may mga chairs for kids, palaruan din. Napakalaki nung place. This coffee shop is so good for couple, barkada, friends, family. Napakaganda din ng view. I think mas maganda siya kapag umaga. Sulit yung long rides dito. Nakaka-refresh ng mind yung place. Parang ang sarap mag heart to heart with this kind of place. And it's giving aesthetic vibes. Kayo din ba natutuwa sa mga pag maganda yung mga lightning? Pag ang ganda ng ilaw, ang liwanag nung place. Parang ang sarap magchismisan. Charot. Sarap manira ng buhay ng iba. Charing. Charot lang, bad yun. Eme. I ordered the Spanish latte and then this one, creamy seafood pasta. And yung sisig nila na for sharing. Itong creamy seafood pasta nila, 320 pesos to. And I think good for sharing na siya kasi for me, yung serving nila is madami na. And in fairness, masarap siya. Creamy talaga siya. And yung coffee naman nila is, yung price, nagre-range to 100, almost 200. Pero sulit naman kasi masarap yung food and then yung coffee. So, 10 out of 10 talaga. And ang ganda ng ambience. And then this cutie na pusa. Grabe ang lambing niya. Hindi niya na kami tinigilan. So, ayan o. Tignan mo naman, nagpapakit pa siya. Ang cute. Nakakaawa ng iwan. Parang gustong kunin. Charot. Uwian time. Grabe ang syala ng place na to. Sa mga coffee lover, highly recommend this place. Super syala. Diba? Yun lang. Thank you.